Enlarging text and icons on your iPhone. 15 enhances readability and accessibility, making it easier to navigate and use your device, especially for those with visual impairments or who simply prefer larger text. Here's how it's done. First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Scroll down to the Display section and tap on Display Zoom. Here you'll see two options, namely Standard and Larger Text. Standard is the default text size and icon layout. To use enlarged text and icons for easier viewing, select larger text by simply tapping on it. Next, tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear. To confirm, simply tap on Use Zoomed to apply the changes. Your iPhone will restart to apply the new display settings. Once your iPhone restarts, you'll see that all text and icons are now larger and easier to read. This feature significantly improves the readability and usability of your iPhone, especially for users who need or prefer larger text and icons. Should you wish to change or switch back to standard view layout, just repeat the same steps to head back to the Display Zoom menu. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.